Google Ads are very important. Just ask Google. But Google Ads are also very difficult to deal with. The interface is confusing, it requires a lot of specialist knowledge, and if you don't really know what you're doing, it's very easy to waste thousands of dollars on junk clicks that don't actually convert. It's actually still pretty easy to do that if you do know what you're doing. We wanted to make Google Ads easy for everybody, so we built a native Google Ads integration directly into Airtop. Now Airtop can build campaigns for you, optimize your spend, and generate automated reports. Any changes to your campaigns need explicit human approval, but aside from clicking publish, you don't ever have to deal with the very frustrating Google Ads interface. Here's how to get started. First, connect your Google Ads account to Airtop in the Integrations panel. Then start a conversation with Mark, Airtop's AI marketer. Mark will ask for your company's website, then he'll do some research to gather context. When you're ready, you can ask Mark to help you with Google Ads. We've equipped Mark with a ton of expert knowledge about Google Ads, so you can be as general or specific as you want. Mark will figure it out for you. Airtop will never make changes to your Google campaigns without your explicit approval, and new campaigns will be created as drafts, so you'll need to click Publish in the Google Ads interface to start spending money. You can also ask Mark to schedule automated reports about your Google Ads that can be sent to Slack, email, or Google Sheets. If you want to get started with automated reports for Google Ads, try using this template. I hope this tool makes Google Ads less frustrating for you, like it did for me. See you later, Automators.